Hi everybody. Hey, this is Maggie Larimore. I'm making this video for presenters and students for this year's Virtual Worlds MOOC, which starts on August 1st. So let me turn around here and I'm going to walk up the stone steps of this very beautiful installation. This was, if you were in our course last year, this was the location for the SLMOOC 2017 display land. This year we changed it to Virtual Worlds MOOC because we're getting a little metaversey here. And as you can see, just across the street over there is the entryway to the little forest and the building that is the headquarters for this year's course. And just beyond that, the Chilbo Education Resource Center and Educators General Store, which is full of freebies. This wonderful platform was built for us last year by Sparky Mandelbrot. We were inspired by the kiosks that she made for the Community Virtual Library Digital Citizenship event. She made some really wonderful semicircle display alcoves for this land here. Now this year she's not able to join us again as a builder, but we decided to keep this great platform that she put in with all of its wonderful vegetation and so on, and a little seating area up at the top. And then I went out to see what I could do to come up with some kind of display area that was similar to what she had for the presenters. The idea here is that every presenter has the opportunity to claim one of these spaces, to include their PowerPoint from their presentation and or some freebies dealing with their work in Second Life. We have 19, I think, of these, 17 or 19, so it's kind of first come, first serve in terms of the presenters. What's good about this for the presenters is that you can make sure that the students who came to your presentation are able to pick up a copy of your presentation or stand in front of it and see it again. If you put out freebies or other kinds of information like landmarks to your installation, they can pick those up. And we'll keep this up for the next year until Virtual World MOOC 2019. We'll keep this out and available and in search so that your very good work on behalf of education in virtual worlds or in whatever area you discuss with us is available and usable to anybody who comes along even after the course has finished. So that's a basic idea. Now for learners, you'll be able to come over here anytime. All of these other people here are bots, but you can come over anytime and you'll be able to move these PowerPoints around, pick up any of the freebies, and otherwise interact with the materials from your course. And last year the presenters generally put out quite a bit of extra stuff, so it was really wonderful. I'm walking all the way up to the top here, and I'm going to swing around so you can kind of see the vista of the display land. Sparky also gave us a little bit of a vegetation area here with butterflies and beautiful flowers and a little discussion area back here behind the upper boards. So I just wanted to let you know that this is here. The landmark is going to be in the description of the video in a landmark giver box in the headquarters building, which is right across the street over here, and will be available as a link on one of the presentations in the Google document that has the list of the schedule for the course. And if you're a presenter, there is a land group that you can get the tag for. You'll just have to ask me when you're in World, but the land is set so that you can put anything out that you need to, and I'll always be around to give you a hand with putting this up. I'll also be writing to all of the presenters about this over the next couple of days so that you have more detailed information about it, and give you the link to this video so that you can see it before you come in World and start searching for it over. So thanks so much, you guys.